An auto pre-publish check in WordPress helps ensure content meets certain quality or technical standards before it goes live. While WordPress doesn't have this feature built in by default, you can implement it using plugins or custom workflows. Here's how to set it up. Use a plugin like Publish Press Checklists. Install the plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Publish Press Checklists, then install and activate it. Configure checklist items. After activation, go to Checklist Settings. You will find options to required tasks like setting a featured image, adding tags or categories, setting a minimum word count, including internal or external links. Set requirements. For each task, choose whether it's recommended or required. Required tasks must be completed before publishing. Save changes. Once configured, authors or editors will see the checklist on the post-editing screen and won't be able to publish until all required steps are complete. Custom code. For developers, WordPress hooks like pre-post update or save post can be used to trigger custom checks before publishing.